making a Christmas memory.
Hi friends, welcome back to another Crockpot Palooza. Please excuse my voice today. I've been sick and I'm trying to push through this video because I wanted to get this out. But this is a Crockpot Palooza we've been doing every month since August, and December will be our last one that we do. But these are our favorite desserts or meals in a crock pot, and it is being hosted by Tiffany at Small Town 6 and Jessica at Jessica My Rose. So please go and check their channels out. They have great content, and also please check out the playlist that I will list down below. And for this Crockpot Palooza, I decided to make a gingerbread in the crock pot. This is really easy, and it's very quick cleanup afterwards. But for this recipe, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk, a half a cup of shortening, 1 egg beaten, 2 tablespoons of strong molasses, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. And very simple ingredients to make this. And you will first need a large bowl, and you want to sift your flour and the sugar and the ginger and also the cinnamon into this. And I like to use a whisk just to kind of get it through that, and it goes very fast. Doesn't take long at all. And then I just mix everything up just to make sure all of those spices are mixed in. Add your shortening, and then you want to take you can do this with a fork if you want, but just cut in that shortening into the flour just till you get some little bits, crumbs. And once you have that done, then you will take half a cup and scoop out some of that flour and just put that to the side. Now add the egg that you've beaten, some molasses, the salt, and then the baking soda. Add the buttermilk, and you just mix this all together. You can mix this in a mixer if you'd like. I didn't find it would make that much of a difference because of the shortening that's in it. I just mixed it really well. Now once you have that mixed well, take a loaf pan and spray that with some nonstick spray. Add your batter to it. Then you will put that into the crock pot, and also the half a cup of flour that you have left over, you're supposed to sprinkle that over it. And then take a piece of foil that is sprayed with some nonstick spray and put that over the pan, and then put the lid over that. And you will cook this on high for 2 hours, up to 3 if it needs to be. And then once that is done, you will take the cover off. And I usually take a skewer and check to test it to see if it's done completely. You can use a toothpick as well. And just take it out and put it on a wire rack to let it cool. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the crock pot, out of the pan. It has that nice crumble on top, so it gives a little bit of a crunch. But it has a nice gingerbread flavor. Very moist cake for being done in the crock pot. Very easy cleanup as well. But it turned out great. I was pleasantly surprised with it. So if you like gingerbread, you need to try this one. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. And please don't forget to check out Tiffany and Jessica's channels and the playlist down below and find some great recipes that you can make in your crock pot. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all.